Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make AI music video and PixVerse. So listen carefully. AI music. So you can't download or upload your music directly into the PixVerse AI. Either you can type to the AI the music that you want. So let's dive in and see how you can do that. So first, I just want to open up your favorite browser, and after that I want you to go toward PixVerse.ai website. Alright, so right here I want to make sure that you already sign in. If you are not, you need to sign in. If you don't have an account, you just need to create one and dive to the website. Alright, so right here, what I'm going to do in this platform is to go into the left menu right here, and I just want to go into create. So once that window appears to you right here, you can adjust your video or even your photo, because you can convert the photo into a video or a video into a photo, and also you can convert a character into a video or a photo also. So let's consider that. I will choose the duration and resolution. I will keep it. Alright, ratio that one for TikTok or Instagram Reels. And right here you can choose the template that you want it to be on your video, etc. But the subject, how you can add a music to your video on this platform, PixVerse. So right here, what you're going to do is to go into this auto sound right here, and you can add or describe the sound. For example, the sound of waves that are hitting the shore. Even you can choose an artist like Andela, the French artist, and you can type the music of that artist. Also, you can choose piano music, for example, or another electrical, for example, music, etc. Even you can type trap or rap or etc. the type of musics. Also, you can so to finish that, you can go into uploading a picture or a character, even a video right here, and then you can go into create, and that's after you describe the content that you want to be created. Alright, so that's one. Two, you can go into sound right here and make sure that you have the last version of the model, and right here you can go into the original audio, or even you can let it off, and right here you can describe the sound. Yeah, that's a feature is exactly as that one, so that's in case you post some questions of why I didn't go into sounds directly, because the auto sound is right here, that option is right here, and after you're finished you can just go into and create and hit it. Anyways, that's the video. It's so simple and too easy, as you can see, and yeah, the music will be on your video 100%. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.